guys so much for clicking, and today we're going to be going right straight into the video as usual. I'm doing an eyeshadow that is like really soft. It's more like a rose gold pinkish eyeshadow. So first I started with my Benai Clown White eye primer to prep our face, to prep our eyelid. Then I'm going to do it for the other side of our eyes as well, because you know we're working two eyes. But if you feel like it's long, maybe I'll be cropping to just one eye only. So I'm going in with my Ever Beauty eyeshadow palette. It's really cute, and I'm going to be using that color that looks like pink for transition. So your transition area is in between your lid and your brow bone. You're going to try not to put your transition in your brow bone. And now the next color I used is a darker purple, and I use that for my crease area, more like to just darken and give the place more depth. So I'm just going to blend, and then go back in with the brush that I use for my transition to blend these two colors together. So for my brow bone, I use this powder Bianca to just blend. Apparently this helps me have a better finishing for my brows. Some people do this before they do their eyeshadow, but I do it while I'm done with my transition. So that palette is also Ever Built, and I used that very nude color because I needed a nude base, like a pinkish nude base. So I'm just using my transition brush to just go back in, and I'm going to change to my other brush to just blend in the whole product. So I'm doing the other eyes, the same step, transition, crease color, more like the contour of the eyes, and the lid color. So that's me going back in with the darker color, the darker contour color for my eyeshadow, so it can bring back the dark color. I kind of lost it, so I'm using this pigment and pigment glue from Elf, and the pigment is Pearl from Candyline Beauty on Instagram. So you can see the pop of the colors. It kind of complements the base that I already did, so that's the whole point. You can use another base, but if you're trying to achieve the rose gold effect, I think this is a very nice base for it. So I just dusted off the excess of like whatever fallouts that came, but it was not even a lot of fallout anyway because I was careful with my placement. So I'm using my Evika Bell blush and the Inglot gel liner to line our face. If you've not seen the liner tutorial on my page, now is the time to look at it. It's more detailed, so you know how I draw my liner. If you've gone into this video to this point, please like, subscribe, and comment in the comment section. So I'm going to smudge her under eye with the deep purple that I used for her contour, for the contour of her eyes, like the outer corner of her eyes. So I'm just using this color to basically just smudge the eyes with a brush that is like really small because I don't want to get into her eyes. Then I did the same thing for the other eyes. Then I'm going to blend in my transition color. That's me changing my brush, using the transition color to just blend in my under eye properly, so it doesn't just have one line, one shade. Let it have like pop of colors. So I sprayed her face so everything can melt, and this is the end of the video. If you've not seen the full video of this, it's on my page as well. It's just like really long because it was like a gist session, and I just wanted to put out a shorter one for you guys so it doesn't look like I'm making you go through hell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, and have a good day.